In 2025, companies made more money than ever and fired more people than ever. Amazon, Microsoft, Intel, Salesforce, Cisco, tens of thousands of layoffs while profits soared. You might think that's an economic downturn. It's not. It's something far more calculated. This isn't cost-cutting, it's reallocation, and the capital is being directed straight into artificial intelligence. This is the great replatforming. AI isn't coming for your jobs someday, it's already here. And the layoffs? They're just the beginning. If you enjoy deep, evidence-based breakdowns like this, hit like and subscribe. It helps more people find this channel and understand what's really happening. Across major tech companies, a strange pattern emerged in 2025. Record profits, followed by record pink slips. Cisco earned $57 billion, then laid off 4,000 people. Amazon made $18 billion in a single quarter and cut 14,000 jobs. The reason? Not failure, success. These layoffs weren't defensive, they were offensive. A deliberate move to fund the shift from human-driven work to AI-driven platforms. McKinsey calls it a $4.4 trillion productivity opportunity. And to secure their slice, companies are trading salaries for servers. In short, people are being fired to finance the AI revolution. The first victims aren't factory workers, they're graduates. A 2025 Stanford study found that early career employees ages 22 to 25 in AI-exposed fields saw a 13% drop in employment since 2022. Software engineers, customer service reps, accountants, gone. Why? Because AI doesn't just automate manual labor anymore. It automates book smarts. The kind of knowledge work that used to be the first rung of a career ladder, basic coding, research, admin, reporting, has been swallowed whole by generative AI. That's why the study warns of a career ladder collapse. If AI erases entry-level jobs, the next generation never gets the experience to rise. In 10 years, we'll have a shortage of skilled managers and leaders because the training ground itself was deleted. This isn't just unemployment, it's a broken pipeline for an entire generation of workers. And it doesn't stop with graduates. The next wave is hitting the corporate middle. Amazon called it a cultural reset. IBM was clearer. It plans to replace 30% of its back-office staff with AI. Companies are no longer automating tasks, they're rebuilding workflows around AI. This is digital Taylorism. AI no longer assists the human, it is the workflow. No more managers coordinating teams, no more clerks checking reports, no supervisors reviewing numbers. The AI aligns, updates, and reports by itself. It doesn't take breaks, it doesn't negotiate pay. Entire layers of work, management, admin, support, are being quietly deleted. What's left is a leaner, colder, more automated machine. The new corporate culture rewards those who move at machine speed and labels everyone else a bad fit. So what we're left with is a two-speed world. On one side, millions of displaced generalists. On the other, a small elite class of AI specialists. Machine learning engineers, data scientists, prompt engineers, whose salaries are exploding. This isn't a skills gap, it's a skills chasm. You can't cross it with a short boot camp. It's a difference between using AI and building it. And while Google talks about AI augmentation, companies like Salesforce show the truth. Half their customer interactions are now handled by AI. Those jobs didn't get augmented, they got erased. If you think this is the peak, you're wrong. This is only wave one. The World Economic Forum estimates 85 million jobs will be replaced by AI by 2025. Goldman Sachs puts it closer to 300 million. And 75% of CEOs say they'll reshape their business around AI within 3 years. Even the UK's IPPR warns of a second wave that could erase 8 more jobs. And here's the twist. Most AI companies, 85%, aren't inventing the future. They're automating the present. Their core business model isn't innovation, it's elimination. So when people say AI is coming for your job, they're wrong. It's already here. And replacing you is the product. There's a narrow path forward. We can use AI to replace humans or to amplify them. But right now, corporations are overwhelmingly choosing replacement. If you're a worker, survival won't come from reskilling, it'll come from rescoping. Move away from doing the task toward directing or validating the AI that does it. Shift your value from execution to judgment, from speed to strategy. The winners of this revolution won't be the fastest typists or the hardest workers. They'll be the ones who learn to command the machine. AI isn't coming to help you work faster, it's coming to decide who works at all. This isn't the end of work, but it is the end of work as we knew it. The career ladder is gone, the corporate middle is hollowing out, and a new digital elite is rising in its place. So ask yourself, when the next wave hits, will you be replaced or redefined? If this breakdown made you see AI differently, hit like and subscribe. It helps more people understand what's really happening behind the layoffs. And in the comments, tell me this:
Which part of your industry do you think AI will rewrite first?